Hello, I welcome you on to this tutorial. We are going to show you how to fix Play Store crashing problem. This method can be applied to any problem that you have in regards to Play Store crashing. You can use this method on any phone, either Techno and Techno, Infinix, Samsung, any phone that's in which you have Play Store installed on it. The first thing is go on your phone settings, click on phone settings, navigate to where you have your apps and notification, click on it. Click on see all app. These are the application installed on my phone. Locate where you have Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. From there, click on storage. Click on clear cache, clear storage. Go back, go to permission. Allow all permission. By default, I have phone and XMX allowed, but I need to allow contact and not location. Go back to your to all apps, locate where you have Google Play Service, click on it, click on storage, click on clear cache. In your own case, you need to click on clear storage, in which you'll be asked some questions like manage search data or manage variable storage. Just click on cleared all data and go back, and the next thing just for you to restart your phone, in which you just click on restart. Just restart your phone, every problem will be fixed. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends that are experiencing similar problem so that they can know how to fix it. See you in the next tutorial. We're expecting your comment at the comment section. Bye for now.